Welcome back to the InScentive collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting into a dirty coconut. It is dirty. All right, so before we do anything, this is a new house, all right? This is called Heretic Perfume. Shout out to the little sis for recommending it. I smelled Nosferatu. I hope I'm not recommending a different brand. That would be terrible. But I think that's what it was, and I quite liked it. I thought it was pretty cool. So before we do anything else, make sure you like, subscribe, stay connected. And before I get into the bottle, I do want to let you guys know this is some of the better packaging, okay? I had to reassemble this thing. Didn't do a great job, but I did an okay job. I thought it was really, really cool. It's definitely got the whole, I don't want to say gothic. I don't know what, you would call it, but I thought it was really, really cool. Very risque, if you will. Came with some, I don't want to say latex, but and it came with this is awesome, guys. It was like a magazine thing. What? Who does that? That's cool. That is freaking awesome. I hope she's not dead. That would definitely be Heretic Perfume from Los Angeles. 4 pages. Breaking news. Collaboration from Heretic Perfume and Warner Brothers Pictures and Maggie Gyllenhaal. So, I mean, are they backed by Warner Brothers? You can't just throw their name on there like that. Maybe you can, I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this. I wanted to reopen this, guys, because this is absolutely amazing. Look at this. All right, cool. Ah. Clean beauty has never been so dirty. Check it out. Bam. So far, I'm loving all of this. Cool, cool, cool. The biggest thing, though, I gotta be quick, guys, because I didn't finish charging, and this place is like a madhouse. Here's the Discovery Kit. But I really, really liked how it came. Well, let me show you the personal information here. Okay, yeah, definitely don't want to show that. I do like how it came with a quality control by, well, I'm not going to say his name, but it came with quality control, which I really, really like. I had a recent product that came in, and one of the fragrances was completely destroyed. So I thought that was really cool. They put a lot of time and effort. And then the last thing is they sprayed it with a perfume, which I thought was cool. I thought that was cool. Now, it smells like cardboard, so I'm sure that's affecting the aroma. But, hey, we're 3 minutes in. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get this thing out. Oh, get that to the side. Dirty! Yeah! I love my coconut. And you know what the best part is? We get to unsheath it. So, let's go ahead and... Oh! Oh! Ah! Get out! Unsheath this thing. It's been so long since I've been able to do that, guys. You'd be surprised. Nobody puts their stuff in cardboard boxes, but they do, and it's so cute. Look how small this thing is. All right, so back of the wrist is occupied, occupado. Oh. Oh, okay. Back of the wrist is occupado, but that's not going to stop us. We're going to apply this. So let's go ahead and, wow. Okay. Wow. Very strong atomizer. Sheesh. Man, that is a burst of coconut. I love it. 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 Okay. So this is like a coconut. It's not like... This kind of reminds me more of coconut water. Like, it's not, which is great, because I think it's more wearable. It's not your typical sweet coconut. It's more like coconut water. I can't waste too much time. We're going to go ahead and get straight into this. Now, this is 98% natural, guys. 98% natural. For all of you guys that are, concerned about what you're inhaling and the aroma chemicals and stuff like that, which is important, it is 98%. Now, with that 2% that's not natural, I can't speak to that. So... Now, okay, let's go here. Let's get into this. This is 65 bucks. This plant-based, sensual masterpiece melds warm vanilla, sustainable harvest sandalwood, and creamy coconut for a woody, exotic aphrodisiac that relaxes and calms. Samples available. Available. In the top notes, you have cedar vanilla derived from cloves. In the heart, you have coconut, CO2. Coconut water, I told ya. Boy, your boy is good. Gosh darn it, I'm good. And In the base, you have sandalwood, absolute, oh, I'm sorry, sandalwood, vanilla absolute, and amberetiloid. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah. Yep. Let me make sure I had the price right. Yeah, 60, oh, wait, no, I'm sorry. The 100 ml is $275. The 50 ml is $165, and the 15 is $65. Yeah, that seemed undervalued for sure. Man, this is expensive. I shouldn't say expensive. It's definitely, this is good, man. It's kind of like, first of all, finding a wearable coconut. Finding a wearable coconut for men is challenging. It really is. Definitely a market that could be explored. I'm trying to... Okay, well, there's the bottle. I was trying to pull it up, but I couldn't get it to come up. It's a very natural fragrance. You can tell there's not a whole lot in here, which I really like. It's very neutral. It's also a fragrance you could easily layer with something. Completely defeating the purpose of having a 98% natural fragrance, but you could easily layer this, easily. I like how natural this is. It doesn't smell like anything really but coconut water. I mean, yeah, it has vanilla, so I mean, it's sweeter, but I don't think it's really detectable. And there's also like a dirty, like a dirt aspect to it. It smells like a coconut that might have been rolling around in the dirt. There's no other blurb other than that. Overall, solid entry. I like how they didn't overdo it with the coconut, with the vanilla, because it could have easily have been a extremely feminine leaning coconut fragrance, and they did not go that route, and I like that a lot. It's very wearable. It's very wearable, especially for the summertime and the spring. This is perfect. Let me know in the comment section below. Have you guys tried Heretic Perfume? I don't know if I've actually said their name. It's a Heretic Perfume. So far, the packaging, presentation, everything is A+, and the fragrance is of quality. I really like how it's a wearable coconut. I just had to get my hands on it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I bought the whole pack just for that, and we're already past it. So there are some other things in here that I'm definitely gonna try out. But so far, I'm Team Heretic. I like it. I like it a lot. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the newsletter. It comes out once a month. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.